everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a new video here for you, and this video is kind of proof that this Samsung Galaxy Tab that I bought just 2 days ago is not at all okay if you use YouTube Studio. If you are a creator, it's not good for editing, and you would think that it's good for editing because it's, multimedia tablet, plus it's got its own pen. That's why we bought it. But our experience has been awful, and I'll show you live right now just how bad it has been. So you'll see here, this is the YouTube Studio screen. Let me go back and show you once again, in fact from the beginning, right? So you go over here, you click on this, then you click on video, right? And then you click on whatever video you want to upload. So you click on this, right? And then it shows up. You see how much time it takes? It's not fluid, it's not smooth at all. It's not what you would expect, a brand new tablet. Just look at how much time it's taking. Meanwhile, my super old phone takes a lot less time, and this is a brand new product. At least that's what I think, because that's what I bought off Amazon. But I don't know if they're selling really old refurbished products or what. Got no idea. And you see how much time it's still taking? Like, this is common. This is a regular occurrence with this tablet. Let's try once again. Maybe it will work this time around. So again, okay, second time's a charm, but again, that's not the experience you want on a brand new tablet. You'd expect that kind of lag with an old product, but with a new product, that is frankly ridiculous. So anyway, what happens is you need to fill in all this information, right? I'm not going to do that because I've already done that 8 times and it has crashed on me 8 times, and now I'm recording this for you so you can see what your experience with the Samsung S6 Lite tab will be if you have the misfortune of buying it. So what you do is, let's say for example you want to add to playlist, so you click on this thing. You see how slow it is? You see how much time it takes? Like, that's not quick, that's not sharp. And you look at the lines, just look at these lines. Is this what you expect from a brand new tablet of Samsung? That too, it's not just some whatever brand, it's Samsung, and this happens. And we're back to square one. The entire project is gone. All the details that you would have added, your tags, your description, all of your work, just gone. Just like that. And so what use is this tab when it can't even do something so basic? That's really awful. I mean, I would tell everyone, don't buy the Samsung S6 Lite tab. Buy anything else, don't buy this one, and definitely don't fall for the sale price that they have right now, because this is my experience, and I'm hoping that everyone will take this as a warning. At the moment, we have a technician visit scheduled with Amazon. He's gonna come in sometime, so I'm gonna see how the whole thing goes, if he agrees to take this frankly useless product back, and I will definitely leave you an update in the comments down below. Let me know if you've had a similar experience, because this is not what I was expecting when I bought a Samsung tablet. That too, relatively, I mean, it's brand new. Even on the box you could see the manufacturing date was September 2023, and right now it's just the first week of October 2023. A total and complete disappointment, and I think it's worse because I had a lot of trust in Samsung. And now I don't even know if I'll ever buy another Samsung product ever again. So yeah, that was it. That was our live demo of just how badly this tablet works, how slow and how laggy it is. Not at all what you would expect. So yeah, people, just save your money. Don't buy this product. Alright then, I'll see you in another video pretty soon. Until then, bye. And again, this is a Samsung S6 Lite tab. That's the name. You can search for it online.
Thank you for watching.